During spring manufacturing, microcracks occur due to stresses and tool damages. These cracks, often invisible or internal, can critically shorten a spring service life. A joint research project by VDFI and Wismar University proves that QUAS technology detects even the smallest cracks in real time during spring coiling. The Optimizer 4D measurement system manufactured by QUAS is the standard solution for in situ crack detection and trusted by the automotive industry. QUAS uses a structure-borne sound sensor mounted close to the coiling process. These sensors collect all process emissions in real time and send the data directly to the measurement system. QUAS uses real-time FFT to analyze signal frequencies, making cracks clearly distinguishable from machine noise. During the research project, the Optimizer 4D was able to detect cracks as small as 25 micrometers. If a crack is detected, QUAS is able to interact with the machine to react immediately. QUAS crack detection not only works during spring coiling, it works in nearly every cold forming process. Continuous monitoring delivers full transparency across your entire production process. This gives Optimizer 4D users a unique fingerprint for each spring or spring type, capturing cracks, wear, and stress. QUAS calculates an envelope object which is able to detect tiny deviations throughout the process. Growing wear and tear of the tool drastically changes the emitted signals. This difference is automatically detected. The software is capable to divide the manufacturing process into multiple phases, in example winding, bending, cutting, to track the wear and tear of each individual phase. So, distinctive damages like dulling of the cutting tool, damage to winding pins, or cracks during bending can be detected.